Meet Rafi Rabbit. Today, he's making music in the meadow with his magical rhythm sticks.
Rafi taps, tap, tap, pause, then again tap, tap, pause. His sound pattern begins.
Tap, tap, pause. Tap, tap, pause. The meadow starts dancing to his rhythm.
What comes next? Kids, can you follow the pattern with him? If you said tap, tap, you got it. Rafi hops happily to the beat.
His sound pattern grows stronger, steady, catchy, and turning into a real bunny beat. Now it's your turn. Clap or tap your spoons and make your own rhythm pattern. Just like Rafi Rabbit. Tap, pause, repeat, and make music with patterns.